In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check PC specs on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. Knowing your PC's specs helps you choose the right apps and games, troubleshoot performance issues, and share accurate details when you need support. We'll use two built-in methods, the quick overview in settings and the more detailed DirectX diagnostic tool. No extra downloads needed. Start with the fast check. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time to open settings. On the left side, click System. Now scroll down and select About. This page gives you a clear snapshot under Device Specifications. You'll see your processor, which tells you the model and speed of your CPU. Installed RAM shows how much memory your system can use for multitasking. System type tells you if you're running a 64-bit or 32-bit version of Windows and whether your processor is x64 based. Most modern systems are 64-bit, which matters because many apps and drivers are designed for 64-bit Windows. You may also see pen and touch support, which simply indicates whether your device supports stylus or touchscreen input. Below that, check Windows specifications to see your edition, version, and build number. This is helpful when comparing features or following a tutorial that requires a certain Windows 11 version. If you need to share these details with support, consider jotting them down or taking a quick screenshot so you have everything in one place. For deeper hardware details, use the built-in diagnostic tool. Press Windows, key plus R to open the Run box, type dxdiag and press Enter. If a prompt appears asking to check drivers, allow it so the tool can gather complete information. The DirectX diagnostic tool opens with the System tab selected. Here you'll find your processor and memory again, plus your BIOS or UEFI version, system manufacturer, and your DirectX version, which is important for graphics and gaming compatibility. Switch to the Display tab to see your graphics adapter name, the amount of dedicated video memory, current display mode, and driver versions. This is where you confirm whether you're using integrated or dedicated graphics and whether your graphics drivers are current. The Sound tab lists audio devices and drivers, which can help with playback issues. The Input tab shows connected input devices like keyboards, mice, and controllers. When you're done, you can close the tool. That's it. With settings for a quick overview and dxdiag for a comprehensive snapshot, you now have everything you need to confidently check and share your Windows 11 PC specs.